Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about what is default methods, how it works and what kind of features were there, why it was developed and created. So that was about all about theory. Let's see this practically through our code. So let's quickly jump over to Eclipse. Going to create a new package for this whole stuff. I'll call this com dot pack dot, let's call this default methods. Done. So that's the new package. Right click on the package, new, and I'm going to create a new interface first of all. Let's call this playable. With this example I will try to explain and clear this out why default methods was there. So let's say public void play, right? Just one abstract method. So let's do this from traditional interface approach. So I have interface, I'll create a class for this. Let's say create chess, and this class says I will implement playable. Come on. And then compiler forces us to add this implementation. Okay, right, that's done. And this out, just say playing chess. Okay, let's add one more game. Okay, so save this. I'll copy paste and create one more class. Let's say football, right? So football class also implements playable and it will be playing football, right? Simple stuff, nothing special, just doing it. And here I'm going to say one more tester class, not required. Let's call this play tester and done. Then let's have main method, done. And going to create object of chess first of all, equals new chess, and I'll say chess dot play. Likewise I'll create instance of football class, football equals new football, and then you say football dot play, right? Nothing special about it. I have interface implementing it and then calling it. Let's run this code, and yeah, working, nothing special about it. Okay, after some time, let's say after 2 years, some requirement came and they said, okay, I need to add some more functionality which will be possible throughout all the chain. This is requirement like I need to add one more method, public void let's say team. Okay, let's whether this game is playable with the team or not, that then says. Okay, as soon as I save this file, what happens now? Chess and football class giving me error. Why? Because I have added one more functionality in terms of abstract. The functional is not clear. That will get cleared once that method gets implemented right here inside chess and football class. So what's happening? It's breaking my previous 2 years code, all because I have a new requirement. And somehow, because right now just take a scenario, right now it's just chess or football. What if they are like more than 10 games? So all 10 classes implementing the same interface and get in the same situation. Maybe it's not one method, maybe they want to add some, let's say 4 or 5 requirements. So this will be disaster, right? You cannot have this kind of scenario in your case. That's why I said maybe 2 years later requirement keeps evolving as per the environment. The code is evolving as per the requirement of the clients. So you cannot just work with the flow. Either you have to change the version, you have to rewrite the code, or some kind of migration you have to done. But if you don't want to break your code, you cannot go with this approach, right? So what I can do now, I know how Java 8 works, and I know there's a keyword default. So add this keyword somewhere and done. And as soon as I save this file, going to save this, and see, error is gone. Now what is this? It says it's a default implementation. So now the class chess and class football no needs to they don't need to give the implementation of this team method. It's already default structure. Even you can leave it blank and this will work perfectly. So that's how it maintains previous code. That's what we call that the default. By having default method, you are just maintaining your code performance, you can say, or not breaking your previous code. So code compatibility will be enough there. So next video we will see some more code with this. So stay tuned guys, let's see in next video. Bye bye.